Some entrepreneurs have started buying trash. Why, you may ask? The reason? Plastic roads. My objective is to inform my Com 110 peers of these plastic roads. I'll tell all of you how these entrepreneurs are making money off buying trash, why these plastic roads exist, and how these roads are made. Now, I'll discuss plastic roads. The first thing I'm going to inform you all of is how these entrepreneurs are making money off buying trash. Some entrepreneurs realize buying plastics from recycling corporations was profitable in making these plastic roads. They would pile tons of plastics onto ships and then ship them over to where they would process these plastics into plastic pellets. This would then be used in their roads. According to an article wrote by Jeff Cart, a company plans to even move inside the United States. This is how they're making profits from trash. The second thing I'm going to inform you all of is why these roads exist. For one, plastic roads are durable, cheaper, and they just last longer. This would mean the annual cost of roads would decrease. Toby McCartney started a corporation called MacGruber. MacGruber is a major producer for plastic roads in the United Kingdom. According to MacGruber's origin story found on their website, Toby McCartney was working in southern India with a charity helping people who worked on landfill sites. Their job is to gather potentially reusable items and sell them to be turned from garbage into something useful again. Some of these waste plastics they retrieved from the landfill were put into potholes and set on fire until the plastics would melt into the potholes and used as pothole fillers. Toby saw this and he thought he could do something like this in the UK. He thought the UK council may not like the idea of burning plastics like that. Instead, he found a way to put the plastics in the road mixture. This is why these roads exist. The final thing I'm going to inform you all of is how these roads are made. I know what you're thinking when you hear plastic roads. You may be thinking the whole road is made from plastic. This is not true. Plastic only replaces some of the bitumen found in the road mixture. Toby explains this in a TED Talk called What If Plastic Made Roads? Bitumen is a black substance found in most roads. BBC News did a segment on MacGruber called Can Plastic Roads Help Save the Planet? In this showing, Toby explains how he came across this certain mixture for his roads. He also states he'll never let anyone know his secret mixture. There's a ton of mixtures like it, but none will be the exact same. The mixture of this asphalt mix is important because it can affect how long these roads last and the traction it gives to the cars. According to a web article by Joe McCarthy, he states that they turn these plastics into 3 different plastic pellets that go into the asphalt mix. The plastic pellets road workers use depend on how durable the road would need to be. They would then melt the needed plastics into the bitumen of the mixture, and this is how these roads are made. I discussed with all of you, how these entrepreneurs are making money off buying trash, why these plastic roads exist, and how these roads are made. With all these points in mind, I can say plastic roads could be our future.